Well, here we are again.
Wait. Matron, take them away.
And a warm welcome to one and all. First time here, big guy, that is the Scruffy trader. What I'm trying to do is put trading in the real world. Maybe show you a trick or two along the way. So if that sounds good, smash the little subscribe button. Genuinely helps. If you like what you see, crack the like. And if you want to see further videos, go down in the description. You'll find my Twitter feeds and social media. And crack the bell icon while you're on. So what am I doing? Well, open my mouth as I often do. And now I have to back it up. So I'm going to drop into oil. Now this isn't a market I trade a great deal of. I've already worked it out to be a sell. And the noon candle, because it's just gone 12 o'clock, is telling me it's good to trade. And we've also got a couple of other contenders, which is Germany and cable, but I've traded the DAX this morning. There you go. So I don't really need to go back to market on it. So I'm going to leave it alone. And why oil? Well, having a chat with the guys. Our D-Dog popped up. Which is up here somewhere. Where we at? Yeah. Is looking into oil, gold, US 100. Now, I looked at US 100 for him yesterday. Today is oil, and I said I would. And, well, you see the kind of chitty-chatty that we get up to, and well, let's just say we have a varied sense of humour, or at least I do. But I take it a bit further, because before I take the trade you're about to see, I do the how and why first, and I let the guys see it. So what I'm about to do, they already know what I'm up to, and that's the beauty of this. I try and put my money where my mouth is, but also be as fair as I can. And I think the fairest way to do it is to say what I'm going to do before I do it. Simple as that. And then put it into practice. And that's why I do this, because I'm a big believer in backing up what I say. And, well, let's put it this way. Do you want to scare your eyes? If you're offended, please close your eyes right now, because they dared me to do something, and I did. Never dare a fool, guys. But also, never say something unless you're prepared to do it. And that's my philosophy on life. So, what am I going to do? Well, I am going to sell it. But why? There are reasons that I use to get in, various technical indicators. But the best indicator is the price itself. And the price will tell you everything it needs to know. Now, if we're out on a daily, you can see this is, yeah, you could say it's trending. But is it? It's actually a range if you look at it, because to me, it's not going anywhere. It's just bouncing between two key levels, here and here. It's just working its way through. Now, every time you have a burst, there is a relief. Now, with oil, those reliefs are quite substantial. I can also see a long tail at the top on this daily and a rejection of this level here. So what I'm doing is I'm formulating a picture in my mind as to what's going on. Yes, this is green, but look, the sellers are pushing it down. If I come down into an anchor chart, again, what I'm looking at is a range within a range, because that's not really trending, is it? It's an hourly. You know, it's not like it's starting here and it's going in a straight line. No, it's just kind of jostling, it's pushing up, it's not what I call clean moves. It's kind of dirty candles because it's red, it's green, it's red, it's green. You know, that's nice and clean, but now it's all higgledy-piggledy. And if it is ranging, it's at the top pushing down. But I have a bit of a sticker in the block, and it's this level. So I need to have enough room to get from there to there to be worthwhile. Now, below 10 pips, I ain't interested. Over 10 pips, maybe. 20 pips on this is a little bit better. So that's how much room I need. All right. Now, this can oscillate up and down. And I've got a couple of choices. I either wait for this to push up and roll back over, or I wait for it to break here and roll down. Simple stuff. But let's drill into it a little bit further and see where we are. Well, it's already had a go at the level, and now that's moving up. So if I need, say, 10 pips, which is kind of what we're after, because when you're day trading, it's kind of all you need, to be honest. Just measure out a little pot. It's on the cusp now, so what I would like to see is that to move further up, give me an opportunity to get in, and then slam down and get on the level. With me so far? So I'm going to leave that there, drop it to 5 minutes. If I candle count this lot, or what I'll do is I'll just put a dotted line on there, just so I can see what it is that I'm looking at. Okay. Just put that there and get rid of that. Okay. So as long as I enter above this, oh, that's cracking now, I'm good. Under it, a bit difficult. I would need to see it crack this. So that's kind of the game plan that's running in my mind. What else can we take from this? Well, substantial drive up, push down. This is going to be a key level, all right? Which is why I'm going to be a bit careful with it. I'll enter above or I'll enter below. Simple as. So let me run the trade and I'll come back to you in just a tick. Okay, guys, job done. Stuck to a simple plan. Couple of staging points. Just let's get on with it. Very, very simple, easy trade. Sorted. Not bad for, well, basically opening my big gob. You laughing at?
You never said a word.
Wish you'd open your gob. I don't actually. Every time she opens her mouth, it costs me a fortune. So, what was all that about? Well, it's just me liking to back up what I say. So there you go, Dwayne. Little salute to you. It's not too bad for you. That's 2 days running. But just want to show you the way. Show you that it's feasible. And what I'll say, guys, when you come into the charts, just treat them with respect. You know, have a fair idea of what you want to achieve. Put some markers in that you think is reasonable. And then just trade to them and be happy with what you get. process over money. And then that way, you'll probably end up with more money in your pocket at the end of the week. Hope that makes sense. So a very quick one. And if you've got requests, etc., do drop them in the comments. I do answer every single one of them. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love. The money will follow. See you all in the next one.